Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This boat right behind me came all the way to Grand Rapids, Michigan from Kentucky. That's right, 7-8 hour trip. They towed it up to me. We're gonna tear this thing apart and get it looking brand new again. Instead of doing new railings and whole new layout, we're gonna stay with a pretty similar layout to this. We're gonna show you what's possible with that Deckmate furniture and products that you can get at PontoonStuff.com. This boat is getting new vinyl flooring, new seats, new console, new electrical, gonna keep the railing. So I think this is gonna apply to a lot more of you out there who are redoing your pontoon boat, and the fact that your railings are okay, the pontoons are great, it's a more modern boat. This is like a mid-2000s. So we just need some updating. We gotta get rid of these torn up seats, this nasty carpet, and we're gonna make everything look new again. This is getting all products from PontoonStuff.com. Wrapped up this 2006 Bennington restoration project. New floors, new seats. Let's take a look at what it looked like when it first came in before we got our hands on it. As we enter the boat, it is a Bennington, really well-built boat structurally. It's a fishing style, so we've got these compartments up front to work with. We're going to reuse those. Those will just come right out. That vinyl here is going to match the new seats well enough to where we don't need to do anything there. Getting rid of this carpet, obviously. Deep texture, heavy carpet. It's really in pretty good shape, but there are some spots that just trapped a whole bunch of dirt. I don't think they've used this in the last year or two, just because they've been waiting to get it redone. Fishing seats, we'll do some new Deckmate fishing seats, nice high back seats. The captain's chair does not go there, believe it or not. But on the trip up, all the hardware fell out. It needs to be redone. We're getting a new reclining helm chair. That'll go. Console is kind of a big, bulky console. We've got a live well in front. It actually has another live well in the back. So we're going to get rid of this whole console. We're replacing it with a large console from PontoonStuff.com. It's an 8.5 foot wide boat, so a great option there. We'll do a lean back going into a bench and corner seat. We will have these cushions reupholstered to match the new premium seats that are going in. Like I said, new reclining captain's chair, new helm. We'll reuse their gauges, the fish finder, and the controls, but they're getting a Bluetooth stereo. We'll do a new steering wheel, make it look nice again. And then as we move to the back, this does have a changing station in it. They never, probably like a lot of you, never use the changing station or potty, whatever's under there. We got hinges falling apart. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of this structure and just make this a really nice storage compartment underneath here. You can see that cushion used to go there, but it blows out when they trailer. We're gonna do a new table for out here. So more modern style triangle table, easier flow than the circle. Yeah, that's how that closes. Not real functional, but that's what we're here for. So this door here will get recovered to match these. Same thing with this back compartment. We'll have to recover that. Not a huge deal there. And then we have a fishing style setup. There's a live well in here. We'll just clean this up real nice. We're gonna reuse all that, and we'll put one more nice new fishing seat in the back. Everything else, pretty straightforward. We might try to tweak this ladder here to add one more rung to it, because they've had to add another ladder to be able to get up, so out the side door. We're gonna look at some options there, see what we can come up with for them. That's the boat. On the back of the boat, everything stayed the same how it's laid out, but we were able to add another 14 inches of ladder to the bottom, so we could weld this up in-house, add an extra rung, beef it up a little bit, but that's gonna make getting on this ladder a lot easier, because you used to have to lift your foot all the way up here. Even in the water, that was difficult. Now it's just an easy on and up we can go. Looking into the boat, this got the new vinyl weave flooring in tan color. So this is an 8.5 foot wide boat. The roll is a little over 8.5 wide, so it will work on your 8.5 foot wide boat as well. And then in terms of seating, we went with the premium line with the ivory base color, a forest green, really sharp color with a tan accent. It ties into the railings of this boat, as well as their bimini top is a forest green too. Up front, we're able to reuse their pedestals for their fishing seats and put in these comfortable premium fishing seats that match the colors of those premium bench seats and corner seats too, your typical pontoon furniture. As we come back, we've got the fishing up front. And as you move your way back, we've got the lounge or the hangout space in the back here. So really comfortable seating, corner seat, the triangle table, plenty of room. And then this is one of the newer pieces from Pontoon Stuff. This is an option. This is the fully vinyled lean back seat. So easy to open, tons of storage down inside of here. But this is just a nice look. It really dresses up the boat by being fully vinyled, just tying in better to the rest of the seats. As you come around, we have the reclining helm chair here. And on our dash, this is the large helm from Pontoon Stuff. We're able to rework in the shift throttle, their gauges. We use a little piece of starboard plastic to make a new gauge panel. We have our switch panel, and we're able to remount their fish finders. It's a great little spot for it up here. And we have a glove box, really easy to tie in here, squared up on the large console. This boat also got the Deckmate Bluetooth stereo, easy mount with 4 Deckmate speakers. It sounds great and it's plenty loud. As you come around the back side here, we flow into the back. It's kind of another fishing area. So we have another fishing seat in the back. There's a live well. We're able to tie one of our switches and the electrical harness into this. So the electrical harness from Pontoon Stuff has a wire that runs to the back of the boat. Makes it really easy to tie in to an aerator or live well pump in the rear. Underneath here is tons of storage. This used to be, is one of those cool things about reworking your boat. This becomes all one big unit for storage. It used to be 2 separate cushions and only part of it popped up. Now we have access to the entire back area behind these seats. We can throw all sorts of stuff in there. It'll be safe for trailering or for storage when we're on the lake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe it gave you some ideas for your restoration project you're about to take on at home. Please help us out by commenting, liking, subscribing to our channel. Those comments really help our channel grow. So let me know what kind of boat you have, what motor's on your boat. Share that with us. Let us know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.